Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly clear skies across the region this morning. However, we do have that milky look to the sky due to some smoke from some wildfires in the upper levels. That's giving us that kind of hazy to milky look to the sky this morning. Going to see that throughout the day today. A very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm today as well, but only looking about a 10% chance of that occurring. Otherwise, we're going to see warmer conditions today to hot weather, and with still seeing those dew points in the lower values for this time of year in the 60s. Not going to see heat indices near 100 degrees today, but we'll be getting a bit warmer today across the region with only very slight chances of showers or thunderstorms. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, a freezing level at 13,800 feet. Winds out of the north-northeast at 7 knots, and then northeast or east-northeast at 8 knots at 3,000 feet, and then continuing up in the atmosphere, seeing that northerly component. And then once we get up into the upper levels, seeing more of a westerly component and seeing a peak wind at 29 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a high pressure building in from the west, stationary boundary still off to the south. This is going to see this weak disturbance move off the coast with this boundary moving a bit farther off the coast today. And then we'll see a cold front quickly sweeping in from the northwest for tomorrow evening. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see that milky look to the satellite imagery. Really seeing that thicker across New York, up into New Jersey, and continuing to stream down in the Mid-Atlantic, seeing that upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, and it is quite hard to see through that through that smoke this morning, and can continue to see this upper level cloudiness across the region today, and will be more prevalent across the south of our area. Looking at the camera shot this morning, you can see that hazy or milky look to the sky, and continuing to stream. You can see some of that cirrus cloudiness well off to the south and to the east this morning, and going to continue to see that throughout the daytime hours today. So taking a look at the HRRR model for the next 48 hours or so, you can see today we'll see an increase of that upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, a very slight chance of that pop-up shower. Thunderstorm this afternoon most likely won't happen. Then we move into Wednesday morning, you can see some showers and thunderstorms starting to develop across New York State into New Jersey, into Pennsylvania. That's going to be moving down towards our region and giving us a fairly good chance of some showers and isolated thunderstorms for our Wednesday evening. The HRRR is more bullish with this activity. Going to still run only about a 25% chance, but latest model runs are indicating a slightly better chance of this developing as it moves in the region. We'll have some instability across the region, as well as some moisture return ahead of that front and some hot conditions. So could see some showers and thunderstorms tomorrow evening. Move into the European model for the next few days. You can see it does highlight those showers and thunderstorms most likely across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva tomorrow evening, and an isolated thunderstorm across the Wallops region. And then for Thursday, we'll be seeing a bit cooler conditions across the region, less humid. And then into Friday, much of the same, seeing temperatures only in the mid-80s for highs for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then once we move into Saturday, going to see a boundary kind of set up over the region. And this is why we're going to cap our temperatures in the mid-80s for Saturday as well, with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms across the region. Slight chances or very slight chances on Thursday Friday and Saturday, and then a better chance once we move into Sunday of some showers and thunderstorms with a cold front moving through the region. This cold front really is just going to be a wind shift for our Monday and bringing in more of the heat that has been over the central United States in the region for the middle portion of next week. So looking at a risk chart for today, green chart across the board, should see a high of 88 degrees this afternoon with those winds variable around 5 to 10 knots. It should allow us to see those temperatures really warm up this afternoon. We'll see those winds turn more southeasterly to southerly with a sea breeze, and that very slight chance, 10% chance of a shower or thunderstorm between 12 and 1600 local. We'll see a low tonight only in the mid-70s at 74 degrees. Southwesterly winds picking up ahead of that front tomorrow morning. Southwest 7 to 12 knots, gusting to 17 knots. Should see VFR conditions today across the region. Any of the ceilings should be above 3,000 feet. And we do see a ceiling. It most likely will be between 4,000 and 5,000 feet in the lower levels this afternoon. A slight chance of seeing that shower. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm across the region popping up. And most likely with the smoke in the upper levels, it's going to inhibit any cumulus cloud develop this afternoon, or cause the cumulus cloud development to be less than if that smoke wasn't over the area. So looking like a very slight chance of occurring. For our Wednesday morning, going to see partly to mostly sunny skies, some filtered sunshine across the region. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening. It'll be hot with a high of 89 degrees. Shouldn't see those heat indices approach 100 on Wednesday. Should be just below. We'll see about a 25% chance of those showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday night, partly to cloudy to mostly clear and less humid. Low of 67. And for Thursday, partly cloudy, less humid, and pleasant, high of 85 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at those very slight chances of rainfall for today. Slightly better chance on Wednesday. Very slight chance on Friday. A slight chance on Saturday. And then a better chance on Sunday with that cold front moving through. Really just a wind shift and a boundary moving through the region and ushering in some warmer conditions for the beginning to middle of next week. Going to see our hot weather continue with upper 80s for today and tomorrow. Then we'll see a bit of a reprieve with a really nice day and setting up for Thursday. Partly cloudy and less humid. Dew points in the 50s possible for Thursday afternoon. That's going to feel really nice with temperatures in the mid 80s for Friday and Saturday continuing, but with more humid weather for Friday and Saturday. Very slight chances I mentioned on Friday evening and a isolated chance on Saturday. We'll see temperatures, as I mentioned, really start to warm up for Monday of next week. That looks like to be our hottest the next 7 days, with a high around 91 degrees, and should see those heat indices really start to bump up as well for early next to middle portion of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.